Hi fams, yeah, welcome back to Neotech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your images into a non-copyrighted version using this AI tool right here. The name of the website is nomorecopyright.com, and what it does is it allows you to convert a perceived copyrighted image into a non-copyrighted version. Now, in the previous examples I did when I was trying to test this tool out, and this was one of the images I uploaded, and the AI gave us this version and then gave us this other version as well. So the first test I did using this tool was with this image gotten from freepik.com. I had it uploaded to nomorecopyright.com, and I eventually got this version from the tool. So guys, you can just go ahead and sign up on the platform, and once you signed up, you can have your images uploaded from this interface. Choose your aspect ratio and then select the standard 1080p image quality, and once you are done, you can click on generate. Also, you can just switch to the URL version and then copy paste the URL of the image in there, and then select the options and click on generate. So guys, you can go ahead and test the tool out, and then you can come back to the comment section and give your feedback about this tool. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.